Hi, my name is Adlina. I am a former Muslim, a mum, a wife, a born-again Christian, a musician, and I am on an incredible journey to the Catholic faith. When I play music, when my fingers are on the keys, I'm right at home. It's magic between me and God. Growing up in the Muslim faith, we didn't eat pork or anything. We practiced certain traditions, things like that. So my parents decided to migrate to Australia. Whilst in Perth, we still went to the mosque every Sunday. And in Sydney, I met a girl who was a Christian, and she told me all about Christ, and that's how I learned about him. Well, she took me to different churches, and I accepted Christ in Hillsong. And, I met Brendan. And then our pastor married us. And then we settled into married life, but we also settled into that particular Pentecostal church that we went to. And we were there for a good 12 or 14 years. They exalted the males a lot, but women were often left to the kitchen. I had to struggle to accept that that was my, for the lack of a better word, life sentence. I just felt that was it. You're just those four walls is all you knew. I felt I couldn't breathe. So I left it with God, and I think that was my most memorable experience of completely surrendering to God. I trusted in God's process, and I do always trust that Brendan will always take care of his family. When he started to get concerned about the theological things, a part of me started to wonder, oh my gosh, could this be real? And then when he said, yeah, I don't think I can do this anymore. And I was in shock because I never thought that was happen. And it really blew my mind that God would change Brendan's heart. So when I learned about the Blessed Mother and I learned the Hail Marys, and I remember inviting her into my prayer one night when I was praying by myself, and I felt like my prayer level has just changed. And now I play the piano in church with the choir. It's no different in terms of what I used to do. It's more freedom. I serve with so much joy now. I love being with other Catholics. I love we can sing the songs together. I love being in the house of God in the Catholic Church. I feel that I'm in a place of peace right now. There's a certain freedom now with the Catholic faith that I find that I can embrace God fully. And I love knowing all about Mother Mary and having her in my life. In fact, my confirmation name is going to be Mary. And I love getting to serve God in his house with other believers, and it's just so lovely.